Hey, my name's Gabe. I'm the owner of Inspo World Amusement Crafts, whatever you want to call it. I make these audio camera. I'm using like a face camera AI thing right here. Audio animatronics. This is Chunky Cheese. Y'all seem to like him. He's like 6 feet tall. It's pretty cool. And also this is Helen with the A, Henny. Oh crap, it's malfunctioning. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I bleeped that out. Cool. Alright. Here's no, camera. No. Okay, this way. Okay. This is Helen Henny with an A, so it's not the CEC property. Even though, well, that's the colors on that's a bit different. This is supposed to be blue, but it's different. So, and this is our new character, whatever I'm gonna call Munchie, Mukuchi, whatever. Yes. So these are my characters, and I'm gonna teach you some cool tips how to make these guys. So let's go. Let's come along. Just show you how to make these robots.
Step 1, make a plan.
So one of the first things you want to do when you're making a robot is have a plan. Just draw it out and just think about like what things go where. You know what I mean? And you can also search the internet too. Here, I'm gonna search something right now. I'm gonna go to showbizpizza.com and we're on there. And now we're gonna. Oh, this website's old. They gotta fix this. But anyway, you can use Google Images. Yeah, go to Google Images and search up Munch. Pictures and ta-da! It's there. Yay!
Step 2, make a budget.
So once you have the high ground on your plan, you're gonna create your budget. So just like you're gonna ask me like what I make out of. I use foam. You can use something else. Use plastic. Use metal, wood. Wood's very rigid, expensive. Metals is expensive. I use foam because it's not expensive and it's like pretty freaking cool, and it gets the job done, you know. But making a budget. Just do you, man. Like whatever you want to build, do it. You know, make the plan of what you want to build and just make it look like that. And when it's all done. It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
Step 3, do
it! Are you gonna buy my merch now? Ah! So, yeah, when you do your animatronic, once you have mastered the plan, created the budget, it's time to build it. So we're gonna show you some little tricks. So this is Helen. This way. Okay. This is how. She was made with feathers, real goose feathers, and these are real. And the mouth drops using like a motor, and it's pretty cool. So another good trick is this is all foam, so very cheap. It just winds back up using a little motor in the back. Pretty good. We make the illusion of depth. You know what? Fuck. Go make your own damn animatronics. Bullshit.
Wait, hold on. Fuck off, Rick. Well, thank you for 100 subscribers. Please subscribe, and I have a new show coming out on here, and, yeah, see you. Subscribe or I'm firing Rick!